म्हापसा आसगांवच्या ज्ञानप्रसारक मंडळाच्या महाविद्यालय आणि संशोधन केंद्राच्या भूविज्ञान विभागान गोंयच्या भूवैज्ञानिक सोसायटीच्या जोड पालवान जिओस्पियर वे जिओलॉजिस्ट मीट ही एका दिसाची शिक्षणीक कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडली. पळयात. नॅशनल सेंटर फॉर पोलर अँड ओशन रिसर्चाचो संचालक डॉ. थांबान मेलोत ह्या कार्यावळीक हाजीर आसलो. तशेंच मणिपाल उच्च शिक्षण अकादमी मणिपाल कर्नाटक हे संस्थेचो पालवी प्राध्यापक आदित्य जोशी संशोधन व्यक्ती म्हूण उपस्थित आशिल्ले. गोंयभरच्यान आनी शेजारच्या राज्यांतल्यान महाविद्यालयांनी ह्या शिक्षणीक मेळाव्यांत वांटो घेतिल्लो.
That's the only planet which is currently the livable planet. Therefore, it's important to understand how it functions, what are its potentials, what are its weaknesses, what are the issues, what are the problems, and how to be able to address them. And it's also happens on a very common subject worldwide, and therefore it is quite in terms of job opportunities quite in demand. And it also has a role in playing environment protection, resource management, explorations like minerals and oils, and many other related ones. And it's also one of those subjects that is mostly application oriented than many natural and science subjects.
And our main objective is to propagate the science of geology. I think you have been already introduced to the exciting subject of geology, and I'm sure you've got an idea, and sir has given a nice brief introduction to the subject. I must also tell you that the scope in terms of employment in geology is also very, very big and large.
If the spreading at Red Sea continues, you will find that Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean will join together, and it may happen in another, say, 40-50 million years. We know the potential sites for volcanoes, the earthquakes. So we are everywhere, and therefore geologists are very crucial in predicting these events, studying the earth, because from what has happened in the past, we can predict what will happen in future, and therefore geologists is the need of ours.
GOA365 खातीर समीप नार्वेकर, श्वेता गांवकर आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू.